Welcome back, everyone. I was hiding in the car. It is about 34 degrees and raining, so it's miserable. Wanted to basically do a little review and shakedown of a special project that I had done a little over a month ago. Spent some time using it now and really enjoy it. So before we get started, I basically want to let you know who was involved with this. It had very little to do with me. I basically provided the vehicle. And so a lot of you guys know the Offroad Alliance team. They're an online store. They have anything and everything that you need for your off-road activities. Especially if you own a Ford Raptor, you probably know exactly who these guys are. I won't make any jokes about you guys. The other group is Kingpin lights. And so if you have a canopy like this, you've probably had some Amazon lights inside to light it up at night, to light up camp or your gear. And it's great and it's gotten by, but you go through quite a few of them. They're kind of janky, they're cheap. And there's been a hole in the market until Kingpin lights came on the market, and they're absolutely great. The third person involved with this project was LVJ Motorsports, which create communication electronics projects for off-road. They make really good wiring harnesses. So when you buy the Kingpin lights, they do not have a wiring harness on them, and Offroad Alliance sells a lot of these RSI smart caps. They contacted me and they said, hey, we'd like your vehicle for 24 hours. We want to put together a turnkey solution for anyone that has a canopy top, especially the RSI smart cap, with Kingpin lights and the LVJ Motorsports wire harnesses. And so I said, here's my keys. They took it and basically installed a product that I didn't know I was missing as much as I was, but I was definitely missing it. By now, most of you have probably seen the social media ads for the Kingpin lights where they take a hammer, smash it on there, it doesn't break. They're basically indestructible. They are heavy duty. And what I really like about them is that you can just take your hand and you can swivel them 180 degrees. So if I want to see inside while I'm grabbing some gear, then I can do so. But if I'm at camp and want to light it up, out here, then I can do that as well. And most of the time I just keep them angled out and it works great. So this is the 40-inch version. I have another 40-inch on the other side, and then on the back, usually facing straight down to what I'm doing cooking on the tailgate. With these Kingpin lights, you get a touch sensitive pad that all you have to do is basically touch with your finger to turn it on and off. Another cool feature that they have is that you can just touch and hold and it will dim the lights down to a very soft light. Sometimes when it's really dark outside, you don't need that blaring light because these things, they are very bright. And then all you have to do is lift your finger up and then touch it down again and they'll power back up. And then anytime you want it off, you just kind of tap it. So it's a great feature to have, but they don't come with a wiring harness on these, hence this project. Now I'd like to show you the wiring harness, but the install group did such a good job that it's hidden. But trust me when I say it's 100% protected the entire way with a plastic style braid. It's factory terminated, heat shrink, everything's very precision. They make a really quality wire harness. You're not going to find anything else better. It's a family-owned, veteran-owned company that is just looking for quality products for our off-road needs and electronic needs. I don't want you to think that these lights are only for the overland builds or anything like that. Pretty much any place that you could use a strip light, these are going to work great. And that includes off-road builds, buses, vans, boats, RVs. So as I was saying earlier, the Offroad Alliance basically took my truck. They put those products all together and they came up with the lighting that you see in the background. And as you can tell, it's daylight out here. I mean, it's cloudy, but at night, these things are absolutely bright. When these things turn on and you have them pointed outwards like you're seeing here where it's pointing towards me, it's gonna light up pretty much as far as you wanna see at the campsite. If there's other people around, then maybe you point them down a little bit more. But when you're out and it's really dark and you're in the desert or mountains or wherever you may be, out in the woods, it really produces a lot of light. And yeah, I know everybody has headlamps and flashlights and all these things, but there's something to be said about just having a vehicle that can illuminate your entire area. I would really like to have seen an amber light available for these, just so when you're in the summertime out in the woods, there's a lot of bugs, and the whiter the light, the more bugs it brings in. So that would have been a cool feature. Maybe it's coming in the future. You know, I really don't know. But after using this for about a month through some really big camping trips in a bunch of different locations and a bunch of different settings, I really enjoy them, and I don't know why I didn't get them earlier. Maybe because there was just a gap in the market for them. If you have a canopy on your truck or a van or some scenario where you need these lights, definitely reach out to the Offroad Alliance. I found the best way to reach out to them is to go to their Instagram page. A guy named Cody runs the page. He just happens to live right down the road from me. Perks. And they've basically made this a package with the wiring harness, the lights. They have everything that you need to put this in, and you don't have to get the sizes that I have here. They have a lot of different sizes, and I think they even have a different series of light that's coming out that has the on-off switch on the light itself right at the end of it. But I like the touchpad. I like the dimmer to be separate on the wall. I don't want to have to reach up and find the light, especially if you have it mounted in a location that you can't quite reach sometimes. Big thanks to them. This project wouldn't have happened without the Offroad Alliance, and neither would a bunch of other my project. So reach out to them, buy yourself a RSI smart cap, some lights and wiring harnesses, Baja Design lights, anything else you need, they have it, and they'll get it to you quick.